Guys, today we're going to make a leather hoodie sweater dress. So you got to follow your customer's measurements. So I just took a hoodie and I took her measurements, and she told me the length that she wanted. That is the hood. This is the front panel with the pocket. This is the back. This is for the V-neck, and those is the sleeves. So I'm going to make her a hoodie sweater dress. Oh, and the elastic down at the bottom. So if you guys want to make a hoodie leather dress, get the spandex leather, guys. Do your measurements and just trace out your hoodie, but just make it longer for your dress. So make sure you do your measurements for your hips and stuff, so you'll be able to fit it, and then where you want it to stop. And then down at the bottom, we're going to put elastic in there to hug around her legs. So this is going to be a leather hoodie dress. Alrighty, guys. Remember, take a hoodie pattern that you have and follow their measurements. Follow their measurements and make them a hoodie dress, and ask them how long they would like the dress to be. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.